Hello everyone, welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're so excited to have you here, ready to explore easy and beautiful DIY ideas to transform your space. If you love crafting, decorating, and getting creative, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss out on new tips and inspiration. Thank you for being here. Let's start creating something amazing together. Our goal is to inspire you with simple, innovative, and budget-friendly ideas that transform everyday items into beautiful decor pieces. We believe that everyone, regardless of experience, can create stunning decor with a little guidance and creativity. From small DIY projects to easy decor hacks, our focus is on making crafting accessible and enjoyable. So, grab your supplies, open your mind to new possibilities, and let's embark on this creative journey together. Remember, the beauty of craft and decor is in the process, not just the finished product. For beginners, the first step is gathering the right supplies. You don't need expensive tools or materials. Simple items like scissors, glue, paints, and recycled containers are enough to start. Basic craft supplies such as colorful papers, beads, twine, and fabric scraps can be transformed into decorative pieces. Investing in a good pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and a set of brushes will make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Keep a dedicated workspace, even if it's a small corner. One of the easiest ways to personalize your space is with DIY wall art. For beginners, creating wall hangings using yarn, fabric, or paper is simple and effective. For example, make a beautiful macrame wall hanging with just a few knots, or craft a framed quote with painted lettering on a canvas. Using washi tapes or printed images on plain backgrounds can also add color and personality to your walls. These projects don't require advanced skills but can dramatically change the look of your room. Plus, they're easily Upcycling is a wonderful way to create unique decor while being eco-friendly. Old jars, bottles, or cans can be transformed into charming vases or storage containers with a coat of paint or decorative wrapping. Wooden pallets can be turned into rustic shelves or coffee tables, perfect for small spaces. Use fabric scraps or leftover wallpaper to cover cardboard boxes for stylish storage solutions. Even broken or mismatched dishes can be glued into mosaic art pieces or plant holders. Upcycling Decorating small spaces can be challenging, but with simple tricks, you can make your space feel cozy and stylish. Start by decluttering and organizing your belongings to create a clean canvas. Use multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans or beds with drawers to maximize space. Incorporate mirrors to reflect light and make the room appear larger. Bright, cheerful colors or light neutrals work well for small areas, making them feel airy and inviting. Hang fairy lights or small string lights to add warmth. Personalized decor adds warmth and character to any space. As a beginner, you can create custom photo frames by decorating plain ones with paint, beads, or fabric. Hand-painted quote boards or message signs are also easy to make using wooden planks or cardboard. Customize plant holders with paint or decoupage techniques to match your decor style. Even small DIY lamps or candle holders can be personalized with decorative stones, shells, or fabric covers. These projects not only bringing elements of nature into your home is an easy and affordable way to enhance your decor. For beginners, creating mini indoor gardens with potted plants or succulents is simple and rewarding. Use recycled jars or teacups as plant holders, adding a vintage or whimsical vibe. Dried flowers or leaves can be pressed and framed for wall art. Nature-inspired decor can also include driftwood, stones, or pine cones, arranged creatively on shelves or tables. These natural elements add texture and tranquility to your space. Decorating doesn't have to be expensive. Creative hacks can transform your space on a budget. Use washi tape or patterned contact paper to decorate plain furniture, giving it a fresh look without buying new pieces. Thrift stores and flea markets are treasure troves for affordable decor items, vintage frames, lamps, or textiles. DIY pillow covers, table runners, or curtains made from Thank you so much for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and stay tuned for more creative ideas. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Happy crafting!